We are in the business of having teleports across the globe, and historically it was all about infrastructure. We are moving from physical infrastructure to the intelligent infrastructure, which is a key theme for teleports across for us. And we have actually we have implemented AI in different streams. What it has given us maximum benefits is in the customer experiences and also around the operational efficiencies, which it helps us to build for our customers. Now, what it has fell short is, as an example, AI is like a puppy. You make it jump, it will jump. You make it run, it will make it run. But you need people to train the puppy how to make it jump. But AI won't. As an example, in teleport operations, it won't help you to change an RF. It won't help you change swap and modulate. It may give you predictive analysis, but that's why it has fallen short of expectation. But that's expected, because in AI, we all believe that whatever AI does, the last mile has to be human. So that's my take on this. A very good question. Historically, teleport operations have worked on a model where systems used to talk to operators directly. Then came the network management system layer between the systems and the operators, which was helping orchestrate the whole workflows. But with the agentic AI workflows, which we have now working in our teleports, is systems are talking directly to operators, which helps operators to take those calls to ensure that how the systems are going to work, which is really helped us in our operations, and which we are going to improve as well in terms of the fact that what we're going to do in this business. Having said that, we also have the luxury of having the AI trained engineers within our organization who are working to ensure that we are taking care of these new agentic workflows, which will help us to improve it further in the space of cybersecurity as well. Yeah, this goes the last question, which we just answered, which I said that we have in-house AI teams working on different models. We take a very balanced approach that what is available in-house and what we can take off the shelf in the market. And to be very frank and honest, it's about a commercial decisions, that what actually helps us to arrive at a commercial decision to do an in-house versus off-the-shelf models available. Having said that, wherever we feel that we need to create a specific customized value addition for specific customers, we will do that in-house rather than looking at the specific needs of that customer. Will do that. But generally, it is a commercial decision which we take, whether it is an in-house modeling or an outsourced modeling for the AI stuff. AI is real now. We have been talking about AI for a long time, but it is actually impacting every aspect of the work stream, whether it's teleport business, whether it's content management, whether it is production. It is really, and we are actually gearing up to have our teams actually trained on the new models on the AI around the teleport business as well. As I said, that we have in-house team, which I said previously as well. We are trying to gear them up with the new models which are available, so that we are able to actually help the industry and add value to the industry by offering them the value-added services which AI can bring to the table.